Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can put a countdown timer on your Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone and I'm going to create an Instagram story. I'm going to click on your story right here and then I'm going to upload an image from my gallery. For example, I'm going to add this image and then I'm going to add countdown timer to this Instagram story. I'm going to click on the sticker icon and then we're going to select the countdown right here, and then you can add the countdown name. I'm just going to add, for example, weekly meeting like this guys, and you can set end date and time. For example, I'm going to select December 10. Okay, and then you can change the color of the countdown like this. You can click on this color option and choose the color that you like. Let me go with this one and I'm going to click on done. Okay, and now the countdown timer has been added to my Instagram story and I'm going to share it to my account. Okay, now the story is being uploaded, and then I'm going to show you another way to put a countdown timer on our Instagram story guys. You can add the countdown timer without the background. You can create an Instagram story first. Wait, I'm going to click on this plus icon and then I'm going to select camera and I'm going to select this icon. Okay, and here we can customize the color. Wait, if you want to change the color, you can click on this option right here. If you want to add the countdown timer to your Instagram story without image as the background, you can use this template. I'm just going to select for example this color, and then we can click on the sticker icon right here and then select the countdown. Okay, I'm just going to use the same countdown. Okay, and then I'm going to share it to my story. Okay guys, and that's all the way to put a countdown timer on Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave comments, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye.